What is up, guys? It's me, AJ, back with another video, and this is the Hot Wheels Monster Jam Sign Up Series 5. And we got the trucks here. Now there is 5 debuting trucks in their own sections, but this is pit party kind of style. So let's start it from right here. We got Mohawk Warrior, Medusa, Soldier Fortune Black Ops, Blue Thunder, Hot Wheels Flashback Edition, Team Hot Wheels Firestorm, World Finals Blue Edition, World Finals Black Edition, Titan, Superman, Iron Man, Avenger, Blue Avenger, Silver NEA, Blue NEA, 4-time back-to-back sign-up series winner, Northern Nightmare, Red Gravedigger, regular Gravedigger, Gravedigger the Legend, Son of a Digger. Now this truck is mine. It's always mine. And now time for the 5 mystery trucks. Debuting, Donkey Kong. Debuting, Black Titan. Debuting, Yellow Max D. Oh, right. Oh, and also Silver Max D, Red Spike Max D, and Golden Max D. And now added to the bunch, the Yellow Max D. Added to the Hot Wheels lineup is 2006 Hot Wheels, gold rims and all. Hot Wheels original, then, now, forever. Then, now, forever. They come in like that. And last but not least, 2005 to 6 edition of Gravedigger. As you can tell, if you notice the difference, there is no roof lid. And also the coloring's different between these trucks. Anyhow, all trucks are open except for Son of a Digger, as it is already taken. And also, I'm not sure if I'm gonna tell him to try to pick his truck before it gets taken. 4-time back-to-back Sign Up Series winner. Anyhow, that is the list of trucks. This will stay open at least until the first week of August. So the first or second week of August. Then the main trucks that are not filled will just be empty slots. And so be prepared, sign up, and see you later.